All right, Mount Takao is one of the most accessible hikes from Tokyo. It's a train ride. It's a short train ride, not short, but a little more than an hour to get here. Um, it's very popular, especially when the weather's nice. It's very crowded here today, but it's a great hike. Definitely recommend you would try to get a hike in if you come here to Tokyo. Great thing about Takao-san is there's multiple routes. There's a paved route. I call it the tourist route. There's a lot of shrines, things to do, places to eat, cafes. And then there's a couple other routes that are more in the wilderness. We've hiked this Takao-san at least. I think this is the 5th time we've been out here. But it's definitely really nice because there's just some variety in the hikes. More of a tourist thing. Also, one of the routes to keep your kids engaged. And then you can go the more wilderness type routes. There's one that's along a stream with a waterfall. It's definitely not as populated. There's a like a little gondola cable car thing. You can take part of the route up. It's a cool scene. So like I said, there's a lot to see and do, a lot of things to eat, a lot to see. This is the cable car station up here. A lot of shopping, touristy stuff. It's really cool. Yeah, enough to keep the kids entertained. Give the kids a ride on a cable car. All right. Nope.
Okay, this one's purple now. Trail 6. Change colors.
Maybe we'll make some friends. So here's the cable car. You know, I've never rode the cable car at Takao. There's also a chairlift. They kind of take you to the same spot. So today we're going up route number 6. It's along a stream bed. It goes, there's a couple waterfalls. Most of them are artificial from the channels, but there's a couple natural ones here. 6 is definitely a lot more rugged, but it's a moderate to easy hike. It's not difficult. You may want to bring some hiking sticks. You do come up the stream, so you probably want to wear waterproof footwear, or at least bring a pair of shoes and socks. All right, here's where Trail 6 merges with the main trail, and it gets crowded.
You know, it used to be you get your 3 high and you get like 60. Now you get.
All right, coming up on the summit. Route 6 takes about 90 minutes, and it's man, it's packed up here. I'm not surprised.
Because it's Schengen zone.
Nothing like this during COVID, but it's good. Everything's open back up. There's a few shops you can get some food. Here's your photo spot. And the line to get the photo. It's very popular for folks to come up here and picnic. All right, we're taking the main, I'll call it the main route down. This route is paved pretty much the entire way. Takes you by the cable car and the chairlift. There's also a shrine. And I think there was a little small monkey zoo, if I recall. Anyway, so you can go up one of the more rugged trails. And then if it kind of is too exhausted, you can come back this way and take the cable car down. So the shrine complex is along the main route. Definitely recommend, if you've not been to a lot of shrines, come up the main route. It really is quite an experience. So that's a statue of a Tengu. Up until recent times, they used to believe in Tengu, probably till about the early 20th century. And it's rumored that the Tengu would infest this mountain. So they're kind of like demons, demons. They play tricks. Not the nicest characters. So these wooden plaques on the left, these are donor plaques from individuals and companies that make donations to the temple. I think they replace these every year. All right, we're going down. You can go either way. You can go that way, or you can go this way. Really hard to get lost at Takao. All right, I think this is the monkey park. That's right. Yeah, I've not been in the monkey park, but we've seen monkeys hiking though. So there you go. Monkey park. Okay, we're getting close to the cable car and the chairlift station. There's a lot more food and souvenirs, knickknacks, that sort of stuff. There's a big cafe here too. All right, there's the big cafe. There's another smaller cafe. You can get dongo and ice cream and other snacks. Cable car station's back to my left. Alright, this cable car station. And they have a bunch of snacks. False alarm.
Welcome to Mount Takao. This cable car goes to Breathtaking Station. It may stop suddenly, great fast and handling.
Good thing about Japan, very often, but not always, they'll have a place for you to clean your boots and your footwear after a hike. It's a nice touch. That, my friends, is Mount Takao. It's about 90 minutes, 2 hours at a leisurely pace if you take one of those trails, Trail 6, along the river. Taking the cable car or chairlift is going to save you some time, about 45 minutes. And then it's another 40 minutes from those stations to the summit. But it's a really cool scene. There's a lot to do here, a lot of photo opportunities. There's a lot of food right here. As you can see, lots of shopping, omiyage to bring back to the family and friends. And there's a bunch of just monuments and stuff. It's a really cool thing. Highly recommend Mount Takao if you're in Tokyo. It's not far to get to, and it's one of the best hikes you could probably do in Japan without making a lot of effort.